A Valentine's Day party favor for kids. I designed this printable template for my daughter's class a while back. We wanted to give her friends something a little more unique, so I came up with this. She also enjoyed helping me assemble it all. The name on the card is editable, so this is totally usable for you teachers as well. Make sure to keep watching. Later on, I'll tell you where to find the link for the free printable files. Other than marshmallows, we also originally packed crushed candy canes in the other baggie. We of course wore gloves when we did this. Other ideas would be animal crackers or mini cookies. It's gonna bug me if I don't say this because I messed up. So when you're taping down those little baggies of treats, make sure you're taping it down high enough on the back so that the baggies line up within those mason jar lines. I forgot how I originally did this. Taping the top layer down is actually a better method. For more free printables in the future, please make sure to like and subscribe.